So I want to work on a dotted personalized rock. So I'm going to use a name right in the center, and then we're just going to use some dotting tools and kind of fill in the name with some pretty kind of Christmassy colored dots. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to keep my stone nice and plain on the background on this. This is just the raw stone, and I'm going to write my name on my rock here. So I'm just I'm gonna take my time, space out my letters well. I'm gonna start with single lines, but we're gonna fill this in. So you wanna make sure that it's nice and wide, because we're gonna actually fill this in quite a bit. And like that. So that's our basic name, right? So we've got it on there. Now I'm gonna come ahead and grab a thicker pen to widen this quite a bit. So I just like to draw my initial word with the thin one. That's just a personal preference, but I'm gonna go all the way up to my 5M now to thicken this up quite a bit. And it will take more than one layer. Since I'm working right on the rock will absorb a little bit of this color, but that's okay, because we're actually going to cover most of this as well with our dots. This is basically giving us a white background to the design we're going to add, and it will help our colors pop. Okay. Now you can be careful. You want to keep some spacing between your letters here. So on the A, I'm going to kind of cheat to the inside of the A a little bit, just to leave that right-hand side there. Right into my T. Like so. All right, we're gonna let this dry. And like I said, it is gonna soak a little bit of this color in, but that's okay, because we're gonna basically cover the entire design. So let's give this a second to dry. In the meantime, I do have gold and red. They're both from the metallic set of Deco Art paints that I'm gonna put in my tray back here, and then we're gonna start dotting in just a minute.